Hey guys, Dr. Gus here, naturopath, acupuncturist, conventional doctor, and founder of drlandivar.com. Welcome to today's video. We've heard several times, and I have to say that when I was a kid, I would use and hear it all the time that any type of oil you consume would be bad for your health. Nowadays, with the incredible amount of research we have, we know that this is not true at all. There are many oils that actually can aid you and help you to stay healthy, unclog your arteries even, and that have been proven to be actually very good health or aid for your health. Now, what does flaxseed oil do? Because flax seeds are one of the most important ingredients with respects to health overall, especially when it comes to oil. Flaxseed is not the same as flaxseed oil, and flaxseed oil specifically has many health benefits that I guarantee you will want to learn today. So first of all, what is flaxseed oil? It's just the oil extracted in a cold-pressed form from flax seeds, general flax seeds, and they have many health benefits that most people wouldn't even dream of. So number one, what does flaxseed do for your health? First of all, it helps you lose weight and helps you reduce fat from your liver. A lot of people say that flaxseed or that oils in general will make you fat, they will harm your liver, and this is true if we're talking about hydrogenated oils, cottonseed oil, corn seed oil, all these oils that come in very processed form, but it's not the same thing when it comes to flaxseed oil. So if you have problems with being overweight, if you have metabolic syndrome, if you have problems even with going into diabetes, and you have problems with anything that has to do with the accumulation of fat in liver, you might want to use flaxseed oil every day. Look at this study. Flaxseed oil in context of weight loss, a program that ameliorates fatty liver grade in patients with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Is it true? Well, let's take a look. This is just one study. Obviously, there are many others. We can't say that it's scientifically proven, but I would say that it is. If I see it repeat 1, 2, or 3, or 10 times with the same evidence, scientific-based evidence. So overall, the results show that in the context of a low-energy diet and moderate physical exercise, flaxseed oil may benefit non-alcoholic fatty liver disease in patients that improve their liver grade, their fatty liver grade. Again, not all fats are bad. There you have it. One more thing that natural medicine will do for you if you know what to use and when to use it specifically for the problem you have. Let me have a question. Don't forget that we are live. If you have a question, if you have a concern, leave your comment down below and I'll be happy to assist you. Johanna4567, that's a good name. Can I give my children flaxseed oil? No problem. Why could you not? You can give your children flaxseed oil, not a problem at all. You have to make sure that your children have a good physical activity, obviously also, and a good diet, and there is absolutely no problem with giving them flaxseed oil, even if they're not having it. It could actually help them. Number two, a lot of people go through the problem with a circulatory condition, maybe coagulation, maybe a heart disease, maybe high blood pressure, maybe bad circulation overall. You lose memory, you're not as energetic as you should be. Well, guess what? And some people even take aspirin just to have that anticoagulant effect in the blood. Flaxine cysteine, which is an amino acid protease, an enzyme, exhibits strong anticoagulant and antiplatelet and anti-clot forming properties. Look at this study, right? When I hear people say, no, there's no evidence that there is anything else that might help you that is not aspirin, that is not true. There are many other things that can help you. Look at this evidence. All right, let's check at the conclusions. So flaxseed oil exhibits a strong anticoagulant effect in both plasma-rich plasma and platelet-poor plasma. They made an experiment where they took two samples, separate samples, and really saw if it works. Result, it does work. So if you have any heart condition, if you have any problems with your heart, and you might need something, why not flaxseed? It could help more than you think. If you need something good, a very good soft gel of flax seeds, organic flax seeds, look for flaxseed oil from Fineland at finelandvitamins.com. Actually, there's more than 1,000 milligrams here per day. You can take 2 per day. Excellent. If you need other supplements, maybe something for your heart or your circulatory system, check out FinelandVitamins.com. You can check out, for example, on cardio. You can check out vein flow, vascular care, maybe even metathyroid for your thyroid, or an antioxidant substance or a supplement like Antioxi Pro. All right, what else does flaxseed oil do to you? Well, flax are known all over the world for improving digestion, not just your liver or your circulation, but also digestion. Look at this study. In the short-term effects of olive oil and flaxseed oil. Yes, they do help for the treatment of constipation in hemodialysis patients. These are patients that are going through problems with their kidneys, that have a very hard time going to the bathroom, that have problems. It's a little bit more complicated, right? When you have other conditions as well. Well, let's check out the results. We demonstrated that the daily use of olive oil or flaxseed oil was effective as a mineral oil in the treatment of constipation in patients undergoing hemodialysis. So again, if you have any problems with your stomach, your enzymes, maybe you feel bloated all the time, if you're eating stuff that you think is healthy but you're still feeling bloated, maybe you're missing something in your digestive process. Maybe probiotics, maybe enzymes, maybe even flaxseed oil. Why not try it? You can try it and take a look and see if it improves a lot more than you might think it could do for you. If you need something natural that can help you with that, look for Glucagon, look for Probillion D enzymes. I love these enzymes. These are just spectacular. And even GI Balance from Fineland at FinelandVitamins.com. Maybe gastritis, bloating, problems going to the bathroom, problems even improving that absorption of nutrients that you think is good, but it's actually not at all because you're bloating, you're not digesting properly, you're feeling pain or gastritis all the time. Number 4 or number 5, a lot of people are very worried all the time with their skin, right? They're worried with looking great, with not aging, with feeling that they have control over their age, with how they look. Well, flaxseed oil diminishes the wear and tear of the skin and improves skin barrier function. You don't believe me? Let's take a look at this study. The supplementation of flaxseed oil diminishes skin sensitivity and improves skin barrier function and condition. Conclusion. This data provides evidence that daily intake of flaxseed oil modulates skin conditions. I've seen this, all right? If you want to take a look at this study a little bit more deeper, obviously I'm just going through it very quickly. I'm just saying that these are the health benefits that people have seen with scientific studies. Go ahead and do so. Feel free to do so. Very important. But the supplementation of flaxseed oil is something that very, very nicely improves the smoothness and the beauty of your skin naturally. Why? Because it contains omega-3 fatty acids. It contains maybe even vitamin E, substances that will improve the function of your skin just because you take flaxseed oil. If you need something natural, again, that can aid you, that can aid the body in keeping your skin healthy the way you want it, look for Vitamin Ultra D1000, Vital E, and Vital Flax from Fineland at FinelandVitamins.com, or maybe even some creams like Hydrotriplex, you got it here, or Renew Skin or Eternity. This is a very, very, very good serum, by the way. Like the video. Don't forget the like button. Let me check out this question real quick, and then we keep on going. Let me see. Gifty Oasis is asking, what about binding the flax into powder and adding it to your food? No problem at all. Why not? Binding or grinding? I think it was grinding. Denise Dunsworth is asking, is flaxseed okay for people with chronic kidney disease? Excellent question. I was just going to get to that one. Look at this. Actually, chronic kidney disease, if you're eating fats that are not good for your kidneys, I would say that most of the fats you might eat in excess or more than you need every day are not good for kidney function. But if you take a moderate amount of flax seeds, it's been seen in models with animals, they can actually improve kidney function or reduce the acceleration of kidney damage. In other cases, it's actually maybe even good for your kidneys. We have to look into that a little bit more deeper, but here's a lot of evidence so far. Conclusion, the dietary flaxseed oil consumption attenuates the decline in renal function and reduced the glomerular injury, meaning the little filter the kidney has, with favorable effects to blood pressure, plasma lipids, cholesterol, triglycerides, etc., and urinary prostaglandins, right? So again, the question you were asking, if you have problems with your kidneys, you can take flax seeds. Flaxseed oil is even better. That's what you want. Maybe that's the one that is being tested here because they're seeing that it improves or even helps out with kidney function. One last question. Let me check it out. All right, there's a lot more information, but I can't keep going because we're low on time. Tina Faulkner is asking, is flaxseed oil good for a diagnosed multiple sclerosis? Multiple sclerosis is a nerve problem. We all know that, right? Now, with multiple sclerosis, we need to get right into the cause of it. But I would say that flaxseed oil can be consumed. I do not have that exact detail of what flaxseed can do with multiple sclerosis, but I can get into it if you need. If you want, or give me a call, I can help you out with that one. All right. There are other things that can help. Okay. I'm not going to mention that here because this is not the time to do that. Like the video, don't forget to share with someone that might need it. If you need something natural, check out finelandvitamins.com, and I will see you tomorrow with a new video of natural medicine and improvements in health benefits you might want to take or you might want to use with substances you are taking. I'll see you tomorrow, and have a nice day.